The learning superpower. How to make knowledge your ultimate advantage. Imagine if you could unlock a superpower that gets stronger every single day, never runs out of battery, and literally rewires your brain to become more awesome. Plot twist, you already have it. It's called learning, and you're about to discover how to turn it into your secret weapon for crushing life. How to transform learning from chore to superpower. Step 1. Flip the script on your brain. Stop thinking of your brain as a dusty old hard drive that's running out of space. Your brain is actually more like a muscle that gets jacked every time you challenge it. Each new skill, fact, or concept you learn creates fresh neural pathways. You're literally becoming a different, upgraded version of yourself with every study session. How incredible is that? Step 2. Become a knowledge collector. Start treating interesting facts and skills like rare Pokemon cards or vintage sneakers. When you stumble across something fascinating, get genuinely excited about adding it to your mental collection. Whether it's learning how octopuses have 3 hearts or mastering a killer Excel formula, embrace that gotta catch 'em all energy. Step 3. Connect the dots like a detective. Here's where the magic happens. Everything you learn becomes a building block for something even cooler. That random history fact? It might spark your next creative project. That coding tutorial? It could revolutionize how you approach problem solving at work. Start playing the connection game and watch your brain light up like a Christmas tree. Step 4. Make learning ridiculously fun. Ditch the boring flashcards and textbook marathons. Turn vocabulary into rap battles. Transform math problems into video game challenges. Use colorful mind maps that look like modern art. When learning feels like play, your brain stops fighting you and starts partying with you instead. Step 5. Celebrate every victory. Did you finally understand that confusing concept? Victory dance. Master a new language phrase? Time for a happy meal. Your brain releases dopamine when you acknowledge progress, creating an addictive cycle of wanting to learn more. Remember, your learning superpower isn't just about collecting information, it's about transforming into the most interesting, capable, and confident version of yourself. So grab that textbook, fire up that tutorial, or dive into that documentary. Your future self is waiting to high-five you for the incredible journey you're about to begin.